Welcome, Andrek! Before you enter my house, let's be safe. Daan muna kayo sa akin. Magpa-disinfect muna kayo. Ayan.
So usually tinatanggal namin yung shoes and then meron naman kaming dito, slippers.
Yes. So guys, you'll be the first to actually see the entire home. We've done little snippets here and there in other shows, but we want to share the entire home, our home, to all of you. We will go to every corner in this house and share it with all of you. So,
let's go!
Welcome to our crib. Nagpagawa po kami ng napakagandang door handle by Jingoy Buensuceso. I love to support local artists. So, another work, one of my favorites, galing po to kay Dominic Ginon. Young.
Also my favorite.
Very unique style. Again, local. Atin po yan. So, welcome to our living room. Yan, pagpasok nyo po, you see the pool, you see the lanai, and this is our chill out area. Dito po kami. Oh. Guys, this is our living room. Mahilig talaga ako sa mga talking pieces, and these are Zaha Hadid couches. Very unique, but also very comfortable when you sit on them. So, one of my favorite investments is this sculpture here by Jingoy Buensuceso. Pag nakita niyo po yan from the top, mas ma-appreciate niyo. So, here in this house, gusto namin na dito na tumira yung parents ko. So, gumawa kami ng junior master bedroom dito po sa baba. You will see it here. Nandito po ang kwarto nila. They have the best view. They have a view of the garden. Tapos tong malaking mahiwagang bato na it weighs 7 tons. Kailangan po ng crane. Binuhat po yan dito. Trying to convince them to live with me. Pero doon pa rin sila sa Tagaytay. Hindi tayo makakompete doon sa view nila ng Taal Volcanoes. Gotta take care of your parents, guys. Alam niyo po, when I first moved in, yung kwarto ko, ang hinuli ko, inuna ko yung kwarto ni Mommy at Daddy. Austin, my nephew. Last, mga 2 days ago lang, nakuha ko yung aking kama. So, diretso tayo sa dining where great conversations with friends and family happens over dinner or lunch. It's a big table so that more people can actually sit down and enjoy.
Yung upuan niya parang
Alam ko kung bakit gusto mo kasi nga parang heels. Diba?
Tapos pati yung ilalim ng table niya malanditin.
Yeah. Actually, ang tawag dyan sa chair na yan is the stiletto. Kasi nga, para siyang heels ng high heel shoes, no?